Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to create a story point in Tableau. Let's begin. So I came in Tableau desktop. Now I will explain you what is the first story. A story is what in the one single page we can describe whole data. For example, we have the data whole like a country by sales, region by sales, year by sales. So bringing all data together, that is called story. So for the creating the story we have two options. One option is there, go to header, select story and click on new story. Another option is what, go to footer and then select new story, third tab, and click on new tab. Now this is my story page. From here we can create any kind of story. So for that first we require 1 minute. Already I had created, so I removed. Now coming here. Now see, this is my story page. Before coming to a story page, we have to first create the report and saved. So already I created the report and saved. So now I am going to just drop and drag. So at present I am going to drop and drag category by cell, and then here I can write down so that I can understand like what this option is there. Category by cell. Now I am going to bring from here like category by profit. So just going, dropping and dragging. Again I have to write category by profit. This time I am going to bring dashboard. So just bring dashboard. Then in the another option I will going to take segment by profit. Okay, so similar way here also double click and write down segment by profit. So in this what happened, we when we are going to present this data to client in the single page we can show all the data. So this is very good when we are going to give any kind of the demo or connecting with a new client. Then we have to create one story point, and in this one page we can keep all the data, relevant data. So this is the things. A part of that, if you want to change any kind of the layout, then come here and see. At present we are showing like a caption box. So instead of caption box we can change like a numbering also, 1 1 2 3 4, like a which page. If you are going to like a particular page as a one, so just drop and drag and change that one. Then a part of that like a dot or arrow sign, whatever it's required, but most of the time in company we use caption or number. So this way we can create our story point. And that's all for this video. Catch you in next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.